we actually fit a 240 volt alternator onto the van. Basically means that when the engine's running, by pressing the blue button on the dash, what you do is you energise this alternator, and it basically is like replicating putting a mains power lead into the van.